Hello, I'm Steve, an engineer with the Department of Energy, and I'm going to explain what gasification is, how it works, and how industry uses this process. Gasification allows coal or even dried plants to be transformed into many useful everyday products in an environmentally friendly way by breaking down coal into molecular building blocks that can be reassembled primarily with oxygen and water to make plastic, clothing, gasoline, diesel fuel, fertilizer, and electricity. So, how does gasification happen? Let's start with fire, also called combustion. Wood, like coal, is mostly made up of carbon, hydrogen, and compounds that do not burn, called ash. Air is mostly oxygen and nitrogen. During combustion, oxygen bonds with the carbon and hydrogen, creating a chemical reaction that gives off so much heat it produces fire. The soft ash left behind would have to be carefully landfilled to prevent leaching of contaminants into the ground. Gasification is similar to fire or combustion, but it occurs in a closed vessel. Less air is provided than for combustion, and water is added as steam. Oxygen chemically reacts with the carbon in the coal to become carbon monoxide. The hydrogen atoms in coal become hydrogen gas molecules. The water also provides oxygen to chemically react with carbon, leaving hydrogen behind. These chemical reactions give off heat, but less than if the coal were completely burned. The product of gasification is syngas, which is primarily carbon monoxide and hydrogen molecules. The sulfur in coal becomes hydrogen sulfide, which is separated from the syngas and is used to make sulfuric acid, which is then sold. Due to the high temperature inside the gasifier, slag is made instead of ash. Slag is like small rocks, and contaminants remain safely trapped inside, so slag can be used to make roads. Whereas gasification breaks coal down into small building blocks, other processes not covered here will reassemble these molecular building blocks, hydrogen and carbon monoxide, into all of these valuable products. To make clean energy from coal, we need hydrogen. To make more hydrogen, the water-gas shift reaction can be used to exchange each carbon monoxide molecule for a hydrogen molecule. When syngas is combined with steam and a catalyst, the water molecule gives off its oxygen atom to the carbon monoxide, turning carbon monoxide into carbon dioxide. Catalysts are used to increase the speed of chemical reactions. DOE's vision is to use hydrogen to generate electricity in a power plant with only water going up the stack. Coal can indeed be used to make clean electricity. But gasification is not limited to coal. Wood, natural gas, oil, and farm waste can all be burned to make heat. They can also be gasified to make clean electricity, clothing, fuel for cars, trucks, tanks and jets, and other products we use every day. Clean coal gasification can be done today. DOE is developing technologies to make this vision affordable. To learn more about these technologies and gasification in general, enter Gasifipedia into your preferred search engine.